Purchase your tracks today.
They tried to level this shit. They kind of
Don't do this to me, bro. Please.
we'll turn around and do it again.
Nah, it's not worth all that.
Let's get back to the house.
Wait, where? Okay, I'm gonna just park it.
Oh no, he's not. If this shit falls on me, I'm blaming all y'all for this.
So y'all got it disconnected from the downpipe.
Oh fuck!
The gasket just itching the fucking head.
I know it. Yeah, this right here is like a.
That's a gasket.
Hey, get that bolt. Get that little.
Is this the one that dude was
You're gonna want that.
He has it right there, bro. He's good. All right, so basically we already got the downpipe disconnected. You got it disconnected from the downpipe. Now we're just getting the rest of the stuff off. At 9%, bro. We gotta do this quick. Bro, I just want to catch a drive-by, bro. That's it. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. That is insane.
Bro, we can hear when you were coming down the road. That shit sounded so... Bro, we heard all the way down the road. Bro, that hoe is nasty. Y'all will see it on the video later, bro.
So much louder. I'm gonna say what's cool. That is insane.
Your voice on that shit.
That hurt my ears.
mean, y'all can do that. Nah, bro, never mind. It's not gonna be an angle. All right, you're good right there.
There's an angle.
Nah, don't angle it. Never
mind,
Don't angle it. Just come straight.
Don't want the dumbass. Get close to him.
Closer. All right. All right, that means I gotta stop recording for a second though. All right, so basically, we got the exhaust in, as y'all can see. INVIDIA N1 exhaust. Basically, all that stuff is done. But yeah, really, that's about it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Catch us on the next one.